Hello everyone, my name is Antoine and I'm one of the co-founders at Néréo, and today I want to talk about water scarcity and how to solve that problem in the world. So you may be familiar with the problem. We already have 1.2 billion victims of water scarcity. 25% of our lands are already subject to desertification because we pump too much water out of the ground. This problem is not going to get better because by 2040, over half of the world's population will live in water-stressed areas. And that's rich and poor countries alike, so it touches everyone. So of course, it helps to look at the resources in water that we have on the planet. The big blue ball is our ocean, and you cannot even see the ball that's available to mankind. We have only 0.3% of all the water of the planet available to us. So the idea has always been, let's turn to the ocean and try to increase that resource available to us. And actually, that's not a novel idea. Countries like Israel already have most of their water coming from desalinated water. But the way they're doing it is exclusively for rich nations because they built this. This is a desalination plant. It costs hundreds of millions of dollars to build, takes years to build, and then it's an environmental disaster because you will pump water out the sea and then send concentrated water back into the sea. And the sole purpose for that plant is to actually push crystal clear seawater through a membrane to extract the potable water. And can you think about any other place on Earth where you have clear seawater and a lot of pressure? And the answer is at the bottom of the ocean. At 300 meters deep in the ocean, you have enough pressure to drive naturally a desalination process by just immersing the membrane down there. The water is crystal clear, it's below the light zone, there is no life there, so you actually don't mess with anything down there. And that's what Néréo does. We create infinite freshwater wells deep into the ocean, and we are able to extract potable water with zero energy. And it's a very affordable and evolutive solution. Each of these cylinders extract 500 cubic meters of water every day. And depending on your water needs, you're able to install in a matter of days the exact output that you need in terms of water. In fact, if you look at that map, this is the city of Los Angeles, and the blue area is the surface that we need to install enough modules for water, not just for the city of Los Angeles, but for the entire region of Southern California. And that can be installed in a matter of weeks and not in years. It doesn't cost as much money. Néréo has piloted these technologies in lakes all over California, and we are now trying to do real-world installation in Cape Verde and in the south of France directly into the sea. I would just like to conclude by saying that we have found efficiencies in nature for energy. We're using solar, wave, winds, and everything like that, but for some reason we have never thought about using nature to extract our most valuable resource, and that's water. And that's what Néréo is trying to do today. Thank you very much.